Hello and welcome to my cryptocurrencies news channel. I'm here to bring you the latest cryptocurrencies news every day. Please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow and stay with up-to-date information. Federal Reserve Chair Jeremy Powell said on Friday the central bank could raise interest rates further if the economy and job market do not weaken more substantially, suggesting that additional hikes might lie ahead even if inflation continues to ease. We are attentive to signs that the economy might not be cooling as expected, Powell said at the Fed's annual conference in Jackson Hole. Additional evidence of persistently above trend growth could put further progress on inflation at risk and could warrant further rate increases. Market participants were looking to Friday morning speech to gauge the future direction of the U.S. central bank's monetary policy. Restrictive monetary policy will continue to be needed until inflation is substantially slowing, said U.S. Federal Reserve chairman. The price of Bitcoin initially slipped a few dollars on the hawkish lean to Powell's remarks, but has since bounced to modestly positive on the day at $26,200. The move is perhaps not surprising given the bearish tilt to Bitcoin's price action in days leading up to the Jackson Hole event, as traders anticipated Powell's continued focus on corralling inflation back to the central bank's 2% targets. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, market participants are forecasting about 20% chance of another Fed rate hike at the central bank September meeting, roughly the same as prior to the Powell's speech. Analysts introduced innovative framework to decode Bitcoin economy in bear market. Investment firm ARK Invest and blockchain security firm Glassnode have revealed a conceptual framework for understanding the Bitcoin economy amid the ongoing bear market. On Thursday, ARK Invest unveiled the white paper titled Cointime Economics, a new framework for Bitcoin on-chain analysis, which aims to provide a toolkit for comprehending the economic realities of Bitcoin in a new way. The paper is co-authored by David Poole, a research associate for ARK Invest, and James Check, the lead analyst for a Glassnode. It focuses on differences between the current unspent transaction and a new model called Cointime that assesses the real economic weight of Bitcoin. The Cointime economics approach considers the importance of a Bitcoin-based on the latest time it was moved. It introduced the concept of coin block, which multiplies the number of Bitcoin by the number of blocks produced while the Bitcoin remains unmoved. For example, if 10 coins are held during the time taken to produce 10 blocks, this represents 100 coin blocks. The white paper suggests that heavy coin block destruction indicates that long-term holders are selling their Bitcoin. The smart money investors typically possess larger Bitcoin balances, trade from lower cost bases, and generate higher profits. As reported, Bitcoin faces a myriad of real-world obstacles on its journey to the next bull run. One immediate hurdle for Bitcoin is macroeconomic predicament. In a rising interest rate environment, investors tend to move towards risk-free assets that provide reliable yields, and we have discussed this previously quite many times. Comparatively, Bitcoin lacks the intrinsic value and cash flow generation potential to compete with treasury bills or cash. Aside from macro headwinds, Bitcoin is also facing the need to provide its use case beyond being an investment vehicle. As of now, while Bitcoin is considered a highly disruptive technology, the majority of people are primarily interested in holding the asset and hoping for its price appreciation instead of actively utilizing it. Let's look into some artificial intelligence news. How the synergy of AI and blockchain disruption can disrupt the music industry. While the AI generative songs are flooding the music market, blockchain technology can ensure transparency and ethical standards are maintained within the industry. The synergy art of AI and blockchain can revolutionize the music industry by enhancing artists' creative capabilities while preserving transparency and fair revenue distribution among creators. AI is increasingly being used as a tool for creating new songs or imitating existing music content. That is why distinguishing human-generated music from AI-generated content is becoming increasingly difficult. Moreover, AI content is often trained on pre-existing content, mostly without its original creator's knowledge or consent, creating several ethical and legal issues for which they are currently non-clear cut solutions, given the technology's rapid evolution. Some of the top stories from yesterday's news I have missed. Tornado Cash co-founders charged with money laundering sanctions violations. United States officials pressed charges against the co-founders of crypto mixer Tornado Cash. On August 23rd, Roman Storm and Roman Semenov were both charged with conspiracy to commit a money laundering, conspiracy to commit sanctions violations, and conspiracy to operate an unlicensed money transmitting business. Sam Bankman-Fried is low on meds, living on $3 peanut butter in prison. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried appears to be having a tough time behind bars, eating only bread with peanut butter to accommodate his vegan diet while exhausting his supplies of prescription medication. In the same hearing, where Bankman-Fried pled not guilty to 7 fraud-related charges, his lawyers pleaded for the former FTX CEO to receive better treatment inside Brooklyn Notorious Metropolitan Detention Center. Mystery solved. Bitcoin wallet occurring 3 billion in 3 months is identified. The mysterious Bitcoin wallet that surged up the ranks to become the third largest holder of Bitcoin in the world in just over 3 months has been identified. Blockchain intelligence platform Arkham Intelligence labeled the wallet of Robinhood jump trading custody. According to data from crypto statistics platform BitInfo charts, the wallet address first received Bitcoin on March 8th. Over the course of next 3 months and 2 weeks, the wallet had acquired a staggering 1,800 Bitcoin worth of 3 billion at current prices. The current largest Bitcoin wallet in the world, according to BitInfo charts, are reportedly owned by Binance and Bitfinex, as called Bitcoin cold wallets. Prime Trust partner company lost 8 million investing in Terra USD. The parent company of crypto custodian Prime Trust, currently involved in Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings, has reportedly lost roughly 8 million in client and treasury funds through the Terra USD investments, presumably where the algorithmic stablecoin collapsed in May 2022. The company described the investment as well as ramping up of spending in October and November 2022 in the midst of FTX collapse as contributing to its bankruptcy filing. Court document shows Prime Trust owed more than 85 million in fiat and 69 million in crypto to its clients. Pepe Whale sees deep opportunity, buys 500,000 worth of tokens. Pepe Holder bought 600 billion Pepe tokens for 320 Ethereum, valued at 500,000. After the price of the Frog Team meme coin dropped by approximately 15% due to recent changes to a multi-sign wallet and concerns about potential developer manipulation. Prediction of the week. Bitcoin overconfidence reigns, but bulls must reclaim $26.8 thousand mark, trader suggests. Bitcoin needs to reclaim one key moving average to regain its bullish status, argues popular pseudonymous analyst CryptoCon, warning that bulls remained too optimistic about 26,000 Bitcoin price support holding. For CryptoCon, the 20-week exponential moving average EMA, now at 27,750, must be won back as support in order for the uptrend to be safe. I have seen covering this moving average a lot recently, but I believe it is critical for Bitcoin to regain its bullish status, he wrote. SBF flags 6 Bitcoin wallets linked to North Korea, urges vigilance in crypto firms. The United States Federal Bureau of Investigation, or FBI, has flagged 6 Bitcoin wallets linked to North Korea state-backed hacking group Lazarus. JP Morgan forecasts a limited downside for crypto markets, report. JP Morgan's analysts consider Bitcoin's decline open interest a sign that the current price trend may weaken. The cryptocurrency market's recent downtrend appears to be coming to an end, with JP Morgan's latest research suggesting that most long position liquidations have been completed. According to Bloomberg report, analysts for the United States-based bank estimate United States-based bank estimate that the liquidations are largely behind us. The prediction is based on the open interest in Bitcoin futures contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, indicating that the selling trend might soon decelerate. Open interest, which refers to an active futures contract, serves as an indicator of market sentiment and the strength of price trends. Bitcoin's open interest decline is seen as a sign that the current price trend could be weakening, according to analysts. As a result, we see limited downside for crypto markets over the near term. Top smart contract use cases in 2023. Let's just quickly look at them and I will go more in depth in another video. So it's a decentralized finance data marketplaces, online games and gambling, recording financial data, smart contracts in clinical trials, insurance industry. And let's look at one by one in different video. That is it for today for the cryptocurrency news. It's Sunday, and stay tuned for the upcoming week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I will bring the latest news as promised, and see you tomorrow.